Hey, what's happening guys? Richie here, and firstly I want to thank you for picking up the Azon attention grabber. This is a really awesome plugin and I hope it brings you a lot of success. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you how to install it. I've just installed this in a brand new blog. As you can see, the plugin just activated. First thing I'm going to do is come across to AAG options. So go to general settings. Okay, so here you want to basically you want to enter your Amazon API key and your secret access key. Now if you don't know where to get these, I've included a PDF with the plugin as well, and that will show you exactly how to do it. And so I'm gonna put mine in a sec. Okay, so here we've got the Amazon image size. I'll be talking about that in a moment, so I'll just come back to that one. And do you want to cloak your affiliate link? So basically what this is, you know, normal Amazon affiliate link will look like Amazon.com / a bunch of characters. So this, if you decide to cloak it, it will basically be yourdomain.com / so that's basically the difference. I recommend you cloak it. So I'm just going to pause this a sec and put my details in. Okay, now that's saved. I'm here at pages, and just open this up. So I've just got a article here about the iPad 3. I just grabbed it from Easy Articles. Apparently Apple call it just want to call it the iPad, but you know, everyone knows it's the iPad 3. So if you scroll down here, you can see this, and the first thing I'm going to do is put my associate ID in, and you can get this. I'm describe where to get this in the PDF where I talk about the secret key and the API key, so you can get that from there. Then you want to put in the Azon key. Now you get this from Amazon. So here you can see I've got the product that I want to promote open. I scroll down and here's the Azon key. So I'm just going to copy this and come back over to my page, and I'm just going to paste it in now and click Save Settings. So now this is basically pulling data from Amazon. It's going to pull in the title, description, the picture, or know where to link to, all that kind of thing. So here you can see this is filled up. Now we've also given you the option to edit this if you like, and you know, a lot of the time you don't really want to keep the title that they've given. For example, this it's a bit too long, so I'd rather just have it as Apple iPad 3. And as for the description, I'm just going to click Open Editor. What I like to do is just grab some bullet points. So I'm just going to grab this here and go back to the page. So delete this, paste that in. Okay, cool, so now that's changed. Okay, so here we've got the product image URL. So basically what this is as I mentioned before, you can do two things. You can you know, import the pictures from Amazon, or you can put your own in. And we saw on the other page it gave you the option of what kind of size you want. I recommend putting your own in, because sometimes you know, you can't control the size of the picture that Amazon give you. So sometimes it can be too big and sometimes it can be too small. So what I'm going to show you is what is once you've got a picture that you want to put in, you come over to media. I'm just going to open that in a new tab. Okay, and you want to click OK, add new. Oops. I'm just gonna select a file. So I've already got a file ready. Okay, so one thing I should mention, this image is pretty big, and I did that on purpose because you don't want a really small one, because if you have to stretch it, the image the quality won't be very good. So it's quite big. I'm just gonna go to edit image. I'm gonna go to scale image, and then I'm going to change this one, the width, to 250 and click scale. So I'm just shrinking it now basically, and it's done. Now as you can see, there's a URL here. This is of the bigger version, so don't select that. I'd say go back to the library and then just go back again. I've done that so many times, I'm like, why is it not shrinking? So yeah, as you can see, the URL is slightly different. It's got these numbers at the end. So I'm just going to copy this and go back to the page and paste this in. Click update. Okay, cool. So that's done. Now I'm going to go over now to the pop-up settings. Okay, I'm here at the pop-up settings, and this is where you can customize the design of the plugin. So you can upload your own header image. You can change the background color. I'm going to leave that as white for now. You can change the border color. What I like to do first is pick one of these. So I'm going to pick the blue option for now, and then choose my border color accordingly. So I'm going to change this to a blue, a bit like the one of the buttons. Okay, let's just do, okay, that looks good. So you can change the title color. Red always stands out, so see a nice red. Text color, so this is basically the descriptions, the bullet points. I'll leave that as black. The color of the price, it doesn't really matter, I'll leave that as black for now. Site link color, which is underneath the picture, it will say Amazon.com, so you know the prospect knows where they're going to. I'll leave that for now, and here you can change the size of each. Okay, so I'll just leave that. Padding is basically the white space around the picture and description between the border and the content, so you can just choose how much you want. Recommend having the top as 0. In fact, I'm just going to put everything as 0 because I did that on my other site, looked pretty good. And for this I'm going to I'll do it for 4. That's basically the border width, how wide the border is. You probably guessed that. And all I need to do now is choose how many seconds I want the plugin to appear in. So here's the thing, you don't want it straight away, because that's just gonna be in the face of the prospect as soon as they get to your site. And at the same time, you don't want it like 5 minutes, because they're gonna be probably gone by then. You want it to be a decent amount of time. I usually do 30 seconds. So they've got to your site, they're looking around, they start reading content, and there it is. But just for this example, I'm going to do 3 seconds, because you know we don't want to be waiting 30 seconds to see this. Click Save Settings, and I'm going to go back to the page and click View. So 1, 2, 3, and here we go. So it's looking pretty good. As you can see, this is going quite towards the edge. If I had put padding in, that's what actually changes that kind of thing. So that's about it really. That's how you use this plugin. It's super easy to use. Once you've picked it up, it's ridiculously easy. I highly recommend you put this into action. So thanks for watching, guys.